Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into office English dialogue, specifically how to talk with your boss. We are using our special double loop method. First, listen to me. Second, repeat slowly with my friend. Third, listen to me again. Finally, my friend will say the whole sentence normally. Ready? Let's get started. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning. Good morning. Do you have a minute?
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 I finished the report you asked for.
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 Could you please review it by tomorrow?
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 Thanks for your support on this task.
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 I appreciate your feedback. It really helped me.
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 I have a brilliant new idea.
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 Can I give you a quick update?
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 That meeting could have been an email.
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 I am totally swamped with work.
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 I sent that report this morning.
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 Can I head out a bit early?
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 I think I deserve a raise.
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 I will handle this client personally.
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 Do you need help with that?
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 I made a small mistake here.
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 Can we reschedule our meeting?
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 I am completely caught up now.
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 Great job today, everyone. Thanks for practicing with me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss our next lesson. See you next time.